Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the homepage for Nuance. In particular, you're looking at a section for Dragon Naturally Speaking. Dragon Naturally Speaking is the voice recognition app that you can use in order to dictate content. Dragon Naturally Speaking is designed for people who want to use their voice to control their personal computer and to be able to use it in the same way that one would use it if they were going to type the content in. Dragon gives you full control over your web browser and your PC controls, as well as your calendar and email. The program picks up on how you say things as you learn to train it to understand what your words are, and at a minimum level has some requirements for individuals that have Windows PCs. You can use Windows 7 up through Windows 10 with a need for 4 gigabytes of hard drive space. One of the things that you'll want to note about this is that the hard drive space is going to expand as the program learns more about your voice and more about how you say things. So even though it starts at this level, it will grow and you are going to want to have more space than just the 4 gigabytes. Dragon Naturally Speaking also has applications that run on your mobile device. Now, these applications are separate than the desktop version. However, most of the major functions can be exercised on your mobile device using Dragon Anywhere. In addition to having a version for the PC, there is also a version for the Mac. Now, for the sake of this video, we will be working with the Windows version. Now, there's more than one version of Dragon Naturally Speaking, and we will take up that issue in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.